Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full, detailed review of the 2026 Volvo VNL long-haul truck, one of the most advanced, driver-focused, and efficiency-optimized heavy-duty long-haul tractors on the road today. Volvo has earned its reputation by pushing innovation in safety, comfort, fuel economy, and reliability. And the 2026 VNL takes that legacy to new levels with modern tech, aerodynamic enhancements, driver-centric interior comfort, and smart engineering designed for professional fleets and owner-operators alike. In this review, we'll cover every aspect, from exterior design and aerodynamics to interior comfort and technology, engine performance and efficiency, safety systems, pricing, and even suggestions that could make this truck even stronger. Let's get started. The very first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Volvo VNL long-haul truck is its purposeful and aerodynamic exterior design. Volvo engineers have given this truck a look that balances sleekness with job-ready toughness. The front end features a strong and slightly tapered grille that's unmistakably Volvo in its presence, flanked by slim, adaptive LED headlights with advanced lighting signatures. These headlights not only provide crisp, clear illumination at night, they actively adjust beam patterns based on road conditions and traffic to reduce glare and improve safety. The hood is sculpted to optimize airflow over the cab, leading to lower drag coefficients that help improve fuel efficiency, a critical factor on long interstate runs. The front bumper integrates aerodynamic enhancements and durable materials, marrying everyday functionality with streamlined performance. Large heated side mirrors provide excellent visibility with minimal wind resistance, and integrated LED markers and clearance lights add another layer of visibility for long hauls. From the side, the 2026 VNL's long, sweeping body lines stand out. Volvo designers have worked hard to reduce aerodynamic drag with features like integrated side fairings, roof deflectors, and underbody panels that guide airflow more efficiently around the tractor and trailer combination. The cab's long wheelbase and thoughtful proportions help improve stability at highway speeds, making the truck feel composed and confident even in crosswinds. Optional side skirts and aerodynamic chassis fairings further enhance efficiency, and premium alloy wheels combined with low rolling resistance tires contribute to improved fuel economy without sacrificing ride quality. At the rear of the tractor, the fifth wheel, heavy-duty frame rails, and trailer hookups are reinforced for commercial durability. The fairings and aerodynamic extensions play an important role here as well, helping to smooth airflow between the tractor and trailer for improved overall efficiency, a key consideration when trucking thousands of miles week after week. Stepping inside, the 2026 Volvo VNL long haul reveals a driver-centric cabin designed for comfort, productivity, and long-distance ergonomics. Volvo has placed a premium on making the interior both functional and refined, a welcome balance for drivers who spend countless hours on the road. The driver's seat is plush, supportive, and highly adjustable, designed to reduce fatigue during long hours behind the wheel. Multiple power adjustments, lumbar support, heating, cooling, and optional massage functions are available depending on trim level and options, helping drivers tailor the seat to their comfort needs. Visibility from the driver's seat is excellent. Thanks to expansive windshield glass and thoughtfully positioned mirrors, the dashboard is well organized and intuitive. A large, high-resolution digital instrument cluster sits directly in front of the driver, displaying vital information such as vehicle speed, RPM, engine diagnostics, fuel and DEF levels, trip data, route guidance, and advanced driver assist feedback in crisp, clear graphics. Drivers can customize the display to prioritize the data that matters most to them, whether that's fuel economy, navigation cues, or performance metrics. At the center of the dash is Volvo's latest touchscreen infotainment and connectivity system, which handles navigation, fleet telematics, audio, climate settings, and advanced truck-specific routing tools. This display supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration, so drivers can easily access maps, messages, and entertainment on the go. Physical buttons and knobs for climate control and essential functions remain, providing intuitive, tactile control, especially useful when driving on rough terrain or at highway speeds. Passenger comfort isn't left behind either. The cab offers generous headroom and legroom, and on crew cabs, rear passengers experience space that feels more like a luxe SUV than a traditional truck. Rear storage solutions, from overhead bins to underseat compartments, keep essential tools and personal items organized and secure. The sleeper quarters, especially in long haul configurations, are where the VNL really shines. Volvo offers several sleeper options, ranging from day cab variants to fully equipped extended sleepers. In the longest versions, you'll find a comfortable, full-size sleeping bunk with memory foam mattress, reading lights and privacy shades for restful night stops, climate control zones specifically for sleeper comfort, integrated storage cabinets and wardrobe space, optional small refrigerator, microwave, and entertainment system. This sleeper area feels more like a mobile hotel room than a basic truck bunk. Exactly what professional drivers need when spending nights on the road. Now let's talk performance. Engines and fuel efficiency, which are at the heart of any long-haul tractor. The 2026 Volvo VNL is offered with a suite of powertrain options designed to provide a balance of power, torque, efficiency, and dependability. Volvo D13 turbo diesel engines. These are the workhorses of long-haul trucking, offering strong low-end torque, impressive highway power, and reliability backed by Volvo's engineering pedigree. Torque output at low RPM helps with hill climbs, heavy loads, and starting from stops, critical factors for cross-country loads. Advanced automatic transmissions, adaptive automated manuals or fully automatic. Transmissions optimize gear changes for both fuel economy and real-world performance, reducing driver fatigue and improving shift quality, alternative fuel compatibility in select markets. Volvo has been expanding compatibility with renewable diesel or blended fuels, helping reduce greenhouse gas emissions without sacrificing performance. Fuel economy is one of the standout areas for the 2026 VNL, thanks to aerodynamic improvements, efficient powertrains, intelligent transmission mapping, and low rolling resistance tires. Many operators report measurable savings on long-haul routes. This makes the VNL an appealing choice for fleets looking to lower operating costs and meet sustainability goals. Handling and ride quality are also impressive for a big rig. The suspension system, often an air ride setup, soaks up highway imperfections and provides a stable, composed ride even when fully loaded. Steering is precise and predictable, giving drivers confidence through highway curves and in windy conditions. Braking performance is robust thanks to advanced disc brakes and integrated systems that manage load, speed, and stability, essential when hauling heavy cargo down long grades. When it comes to safety and driver assist technology, Volvo continues to lead the industry. The 2026 VNL includes a comprehensive suite of systems designed to prevent accidents and protect both driver and cargo. Volvo Enhanced Stability Technology, VEST, helps maintain control in slippery or sudden maneuver situations. Adaptive Cruise Control with Traffic Jam Assist maintains speed and distance while reducing driver fatigue on long runs. Lane Keeping Assist and Lane Departure Warning helps keep the tractor centered in its lane. Automatic Emergency Braking with Pedestrian and Vehicle Detection adds crucial protection in urban and highway environments alike. Blind Spot Monitoring and Side Object Detection, extremely helpful when merging or changing lanes. Driver Alertness Monitoring detects signs of fatigue and suggests rest breaks to improve safety. Volvo's truck-specific navigation and telematics further enhance safety and operational efficiency. Built-in routing tools consider truck height, weight restrictions, bridge limits, and hazardous material restrictions, helping drivers avoid costly detours or unsafe routes. Infotainment and connectivity tech are modern and capable. Multiple USB-C and USB-A ports keep devices charged. Bluetooth streaming and call integration keep drivers connected, and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot options are available for onboard connectivity. Over-the-air software updates help keep systems current without frequent dealer visits. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Volvo VNL long haul is positioned as a strong value in the heavy-duty truck segment. Base long-haul models are priced competitively with essential performance, safety, and comfort features. Mid-range trims add premium upgrades, larger infotainment systems, enhanced driver assistance suites, improved sleeper accommodations, while top trims go full luxury with advanced telematics, premium interior materials, and optimized aerodynamic packages. If there are a few areas where the 2026 VNL could improve, a couple suggestions come to mind. First, expanding factory-installed renewable energy powertrain options, such as hydrogen fuel cells or electrified range extenders, would help future-proof the platform. Second, offering even more driver personalization packages like modular interior themes, ergonomic seat configurations, or adaptable storage layouts would enhance comfort for long term.